Hi, this is Jasbir Singh from Square One Architecture. We are a consultancy firm specializing in architectural design, interior design, and project management services. Our practice was founded in the year 2008, and since then we have successfully delivered over 200 projects having variable scale spread across the diverse geography of the country. We believe in providing quality services by understanding the client's requirements and adding value to it. We take every project as an opportunity and firmly believe in what American author Napoleon Hill said: if you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. We take pride in saying that we have more than 75% of our business from repeat clients as we focus on prompt response. We have a diverse experience of working on commercial and residential projects and like experimenting with materials.
अगर आप फ्लोर फिनिश की बात करें, व्हेन यू टॉकिंग अबाउट टू प्रोडक्ट्स प्राइमरीली, स्टोन एंड टाइल. स्टोन में फर्दर बाइफिकेशन हो जाती है. यू गेट अ हार्ड स्टोन लाइक ग्रेनाइट एंड देन यू गेट मार्बल्स व्हिच इज स्लाइटली सॉफ्टर स्टोन. प्रोजेक्ट की क्रिटिकलिटी पे डिसाइड होता है कि क्या लगेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर टाइमलाइन स्ट्रिक्ट होती है, जैसे जो जनरली कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट्स में होती है, वहाँ पे टाइल ही एडवाइजेबल होता है, नॉट फ्रॉम ओनली डिज़ाइन और एस्थेटिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, बट ओवरऑल प्रोजेक्ट की एग्जीक्यूशन पेस और एफिशिएंसी के पर्सपेक्टिव से. आज की डेट में जो टाइल्स आती है, फेयरली हार्ड मटेरियल्स, लॉन्ग लाइफ होती है आजकल. वो मतलब द क्वालिटी ऑफ टाइल्स हैव इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट. So for a commercial project, we always advise to use the tile. Timelines उसकी short होती है. To put a stone requires the basically it'll larger timeline. You need to एक तो उसका application थोड़ा complicated हो जाता है. Still कुछ office project की अगर हम बात करें तो we still use stone in certain key areas at times. Maybe in the top management spaces. We use stone. Sometimes we use a combination of granite and tiles, right. Because जहाँ पे high traffic areas होते हैं, common passages होते हैं, we use granite. So it purely depends on the application, in the sense किस utility की building है. जैसे we're doing a project, we're doing common lobby area for a mall, which is a very huge mall in Gurgaon. उसमें at the reception lobby we've used Italian. As we progress from reception towards corridors, the material changes. So कई बारी client का brief cost efficiency के लिए भी होता है. So we have to trade off कि we use a premium product in certain area and we compensate the pricing by using an economical material in the other area. Right. So दोनों के अपने अपने applications हैं. Residential में we always advise and recommend to use marble, Italian stone, or some imported marble which can be polished, because that it has its own grace. Again, उसमें भी a lot of factors come into play. The time or the budgets the client have. The residential project which we were talking about, in the stilt area, which is primarily for parking, rather than just putting a hard stone like granite edge to edge, we created a well knit woven pattern. जैसे fabric weave होता है, that's how the pattern has been created in the flooring. So very nice texture of the floor. Basically we use 3 stones which have been planned in a way that जब आप उसको देखते हो तो जैसे एक fabric weave होता है, उस तरह का impact create होता है. So again application पर depend करता है आप कौन क्या use करना चाहते हैं. Right. But to sum it up, I think commercial spaces में 90% अगर hard flooring use होना है तो tile ही use होती है 90% cases में. Residential में our recommendation in most of the cases is